Samsung certainly has a difficult task ahead of them. Apple's impressive iPhone X has hit the shelves, and Google's top-tier Pixel 2 handset offers the best smartphone camera we've ever seen. Samsung faces stiff competition from its very own kind too. Considering the S8 and S8 Plus have both seen drastic price reductions since their release, we expect them to further drop in price with the launch of the S9 and S9 Plus, making them an even tastier proposition. Samsung has officially launched its latest chip, the Exynos 9810. The new chipset features a 2.9 GHz octa-core processor that promises to be 40% faster in single-core performance than its predecessor, the Exynos 8895. Its GPU performance looks to be also 20% more powerful too, with the ARM Mali G72. This also means that video playback will support HEVC and VP9 codecs, a welcome addition for those looking to record in 4K, as file sizes will be more detailed and have a smaller file size, something we've seen with the GoPro Hero 6. Even more exciting is its prospect of using depth sensing 3D face detection, which looks very much like the technology used by Apple for Face ID. The S9 and S9 Plus cameras are also receiving a buff, with the 9810 featuring better image and video stabilization up to 4K recordings. This should make the S9 and S9 Plus better for video recordings. Very much like the new Snapdragon 845 chipset by Qualcomm, the 9810 features a 1.2-bit/secretary LTE modem, meaning it will support the fastest internet speeds. Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus UK price. How much will they cost? Around £700 for the S9 and £800 for S9 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus launched at both £679 and £779 when they first released, and it's highly unlikely that the S9 and its plus-sized alternative will be much cheaper, if at all. The Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus were a huge success at its asking price, so Samsung has no reason to reduce the price of the S9. What's more, it's very unusual to see a manufacturer reduce the price of a new handset. Usually, the RRP just spirals upwards with each new release. Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus UK release date. When do they launch? MWC 2018 announcement says 2018 is in full swing, and with it, a handful of teases from the biggest tech manufacturers. Chief among them comes from Samsung, and we finally know when the Galaxy S9 will launch. Samsung typically releases its phones at MWC or at its own dedicated events a little later in the year. In 2018, the former is the case, with the Galaxy S9 launching at MWC. The annual trade show takes place from the 26th of February and finishes on the 1st of March this year, and we will be there in full force bringing you the latest coverage. Olixar, a smartphone case manufacturer, suggests a the 28th of February 2018 release date for both the S9 and S9 Plus.